it right.
But only if I say so. Alienated, validating so far. We'll never make it out of the dark. Fight a mission, start the day. Dreaming while I'm wide awake, waiting till I see your face. Praying the atmosphere's okay. Fight a mission.
Close your eyes. Tell me, are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can
Fuck a shot, this ticket beat. One day I'ma kill it, beat.
To bring back what's taken versus forsaken. Again the rotation begins. A compass with no turning point.
Love hurts just as much as falling out of it, but I'll scrape my knees and scar my shins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you, or maybe we could be a Romeo and Juliet.
Of course he's gonna hang around for more. It's sort of like a drug. It's addicting.
And ooh, girl, I'm addicted to you. You're my dope. I'm not hitting the dot, but I'm still taking my shot. I'ma practice and go again, and you can show me around, and you can even will your friends. Like, I know that they'll be talking with their dissonant whispers, but shiver me timbers if they can rock the relationship. Do you know who you playing with? I'm feeling like Midas, but you was gold to begin with. I didn't help in the slightest day.
My day needed.
Of course.
And the love hurts just as much as falling out of it, but I'll scrape my knees and scar my shins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you, or maybe we could be a Romeo and Juliet, except without the age difference, and we can forget the death. Cause this is love at first sight, there's no doubt in my mind. And darling, forget about the time, cause you're mine, and I'll spend every second chilling with you. Like this, that vintage Nickelodeon innocence love. Innocence the type of if we fight, let's chill and make up. You're one in a million pay stubs, but
Dying to fight, it'll be while I am bringing you down to the grave.
What about the traveler? Where'd she go? Wait! Don't go! Get my brother back! Listen to me, Ether. I challenge you.